Imagine you've just found a hidden gem of a bank that offers all the bells and whistles of modern banking without charging you an arm and a leg. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of SoFi, checking to see if this mythical bank is all it's cracked up to be. SoFi has been making waves in the financial industry for years, offering a range of products from personal loans to investing. But what about their checking accounts? Are they free? Do they come with any hidden fees? Let's find out. 1. The basics of SoFi checking. We'll start by understanding what SoFi checking is all about. What features does it offer? Does it come with a debit card? What kind of interest rates can you expect? SoFi checking is a fee-free checking account that comes with a debit card. You can earn interest on your balance, and there are no minimum balance requirements. Plus, SoFi offers a range of other features like bill pay, mobile check deposit, and ATM fee reimbursements. 2. No monthly maintenance fees. One of the most attractive features of SoFi checking is that there are no monthly maintenance fees. This means you won't be charged a recurring fee just for having the account. 3. Interest on your balance. Unlike many traditional banks, SoFi checking allows you to earn interest on your balance. This can be a great way to grow your savings over time. 4. ATM fee reimbursements. SoFi also offers ATM fee reimbursements. This means you'll be refunded for ATM fees charged by out-of-network ATMs. 5. No minimum balance requirements. There are no minimum balance requirements for SoFi checking. This means you can open an account with as little or as much money as you like. 6. Mobile check deposit. SoFi checking comes with mobile check deposit. This means you can deposit checks directly into your account using your smartphone. 7. Bill pay. You can also pay bills directly from your SoFi checking account. 8. SoFi Money. SoFi checking is linked to SoFi Money, which is a cash management account that offers additional features like investing and budgeting. 9. Are there any hidden fees? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any hidden fees associated with SoFi checking? While the account itself is fee-free, there are a few things to keep in mind. Foreign transaction fees. If you use your SoFi debit card for foreign transactions, you may be charged a foreign transaction fee. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, you may be charged an overdraft fee. Inactivity fees. If you don't use your account for an extended period, you may be charged an inactivity fee. 10. Is SoFi checking right for you? So, is SoFi checking the right choice for you? If you're looking for a fee-free checking account with a range of features, SoFi checking is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against any potential drawbacks, such as foreign transaction fees or overdraft fees. Ultimately, the best way to decide if SoFi checking is right for you is to compare it to other checking account options available in your area. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.